Today we're going to be doing a performance comparison test between R134a and R134a Replacement from Ozchill. The machine we'll be using is a 2007 TRD Orion. The vehicle will be used on both tests. This is a new machine that has climate control. By the end of this test you'll see that R134a Replacement will fit into a climate control system. The first thing we must do is establish ambient temperature. This is done by leaving the thermostat in the workshop or an undercovered area for about 5 minutes. Once we have ambient temperature, we must find out what pressures we should be expecting the R134a to be working at. At around 18 degrees, R134a should be at about 80 psi. All readings with R134a are done on the high side. This is the red gauge and located on the right of the screen. As you can see, this system is slightly overcharged and is sitting around the 90 psi. This is within the allowable limit and won't affect the performance of the system at all. Our next test is going to be the performance test inside the vehicle. This is done by placing the thermostat into the middle vent and using a stopwatch. In this case we're going to be using the phone. When the system is set to its lowest setting and the timer is started, we will see how long it takes for R134a to pull down to the lowest temperature. With this vehicle and R134a, it should take about 1 minute 30 for the system to get down to its lowest setting, which is 6.5 degrees out of the center vent. So around 1 minute 20 before our system got down to 6.5 degrees. This is well within specifications and is quite good for a vehicle. Now that the system has been changed out with the R134a Replacement, we have to find out what its pressures are going to be. Once again, ambient temperature has been found, and around 20 degrees, the Ozchill should be running at 65 psi. Some Ozchill charts will also give you a low side reading. At 20 degrees, we should have 14 psi on the low side, or the blue gauge. Once again, this system is slightly overcharged, but this will not affect the performance of the vehicle at all. It is important not to overcharge the system, as the system might not pull down as quick or might not get cold at all. Same performance test has been done. Our thermostat is in the center vent and we are sitting around the 20 degrees on the climate control setting. You will notice with the OzChill that it actually drops too fast for the thermostat to register. That's why it looks like the thermostat is jumping quite large numbers. So at about 55 seconds, the OzChill has already gone 0.5 of a degree lower than what the R134a was. And at 1 minute 20, the OzChill is 1.5 to 2 degrees lower than what the R134a was. So as you can see, around the 2 minute mark, the OzChill is 3 degrees lower than the R134a.